I am Bahruddin Abdulaziz from Saba. We have moved from Tawila to respond to the crisis of the Tarsim village and took 15 days. When we returned back to Tawila, suddenly we faced some problems in the middle of the road, in the top of the El Jabal Marra mountains. Some group are carrying pregnant women in their shelter. Once they saw us, called us and asking us for the support, and we tell them we stand by to support them. So when we carry the patients by my car and my other staff riding in the surface of the car, and just here in this the car. When we arrive in the middle of the road, he said, I have paint, please stop. When we stop, she start the delivery, and now her case in this small couch, and our doctor within this couch to complete the process of the delivery. And now this is the case of her delivery. And now, thank you, God, she complete the process of the delivery, and this is our team to complete the process of the delivery. Congratulations for newborns. This is the case to complete the process. This is the complete to cut the umbilical cord that connect between the women and her child by the locals. This is in my hand. There are no any way to complete this process except by this way. This is the case of the all people just here in West Jabal Marra. Now my tear is come down, and all of them are surprised. And finally, we are a pleasure because we are completed the process of the deliverance. I am calling all humanitarian actors to visit Tawila and area of the East Jabal Marra to support all kind of the people with the bucket of the service. If you all see this case, and this is the newborn today, delivered by the Dr. Mustafa, and now in our hands we have no anything just to support her. Thank you God, thank you Dr. Mustafa, thank you teams of the Saba to support them for the case of the delivery. We are so very pleased because this is the case of the newborn. Now, if you need to understand us well, now we are so pleased because we are receiving new born by this way, as you see, because our situation as this, and we are calling all organizations to support all kind of service for this, because we have no any tool for the deliverance except this is the remind color we have in our vehicle, and this is our team, and this is other surgical bladders. And thank you God, thank you all of them here, and congratulations for the mom of this newborn.